So today topic is low frequency harmonics. So distributed generation, it does not produce a completely sinusoidal current waveform, just like the majority of other equipment do. So the harmonic injection into the distribution grid by the generator, which will result in some increase in the voltage distortion. So the emission by distributed generation is however smaller than the emission by modern consuming equipment. So the increase in voltage distortion will be small and rarely cause a problem. So the presence of distributed generation may however result in a significant increase in the level of frequency component, even harmonics, triple N harmonics, interharmonics, but it will be small. The harmonic emission of distributed generation is low. That is, we'll justify that by having an example. So wind power plant where we are using generator, so the harmonic emission of a 30 kilowatt wind turbine together with the capacitor bank, its total current harmonic distortion is 5% to 6%, with harmonic 5th, 11th and 13th being the dominant one. The current distortion, it will be measured between the grid and the capacitor usually. Then the main harmonic, that will be probably due to the capacitor bank. So harmonic voltage distortion will be 2.5% close to the capacitor bank. So the harmonic emission from distributed generation, we had discussed one example, that is 30 kilowatt wind turbine with capacitor bank. It is having 5 to 6% of total harmonic distortion. Similarly, we are having some more example, 37 and 110 kilowatt solar power installation. Its total harmonic distortion is 3.5%. 800 kilowatt wind turbine, total harmonic distortion is 1%. Individual harmonics up to 4.4% for 3rd, 5th, 7th, 11th, 13th and 16th. So 650 kilowatt full converter, individual harmonics is 4% at order 29 and 31. Inverter typical for micro generation, THD is 3 to 6%. Then individual harmonic 3% for second harmonics, 1.5% for 3rd, 5th and 7th. So 30 kilowatt wind turbine, double fed induction generator. So THD, that is 1.5% to 4%. So individual harmonics 1% slot harmonic, 3% at 200, 250, 320 and 350 Hertz. So 660 kilowatt induction machine, total harmonic distortion is 6 to 7%. Whereas wind turbine with full converter, it is individual harmonic is 1.6% for 5th harmonic, 0.6% for 7th harmonic. So next is synchronous generator. When you are using synchronous generator, so they are designed in such a way that they produce little third harmonic distortion. When you are using standard synchronous generator, that is the low voltage system, it will be short circuit for triple harmonics, which could cause large third harmonic currents. That is with standard synchronous generator, where 5th and 7th harmonic components will be minimized. So the winding of synchronous machine, it causes relatively large third harmonic voltage, that is 10% of the fundamental component, whereas 5th and 7th harmonic voltages are around 1%. As the third harmonic component has zero sequence character, so it is not transferred through delta connected generator transformer. But when you are connecting to a rotating machine directly to the low voltage network, that is without a transformer, that is when rotating machine you are connecting directly to low voltage network without transformer or through star to star connected transformer. At that time, this third harmonic distortion that will spread through the system, and when you are using delta, it is not transferred. So next is harmonic resonances. So potential problem with distributed generation is the occurrence of resonance, which is due to the amount of capacitance connected to the distribution grid, right? So the harmonic current produced by non-linear electronics loads that are injected into the power system grid. The effect of injecting large magnitude of harmonic currents into the grid that depends upon the response of the power grid to the various injected harmonic frequency. So, depending on the response of the grid, the injected current could simply flow in the grid harmlessly or create electrical power system resonance, resulting in damaging over voltage or over current condition. So we know the interface with the distributed generation, it often contains a capacitor. So this capacitor, which involves in series or parallel resonance, which will cause amplification of harmonic distortion produced. So researchers, manufacturers, as well as consultancies recommended that the capacitor banks should be used with a AC reactor. Sorry. So by using AC reactor with the capacitor bank, we can tune the resonant frequency so that harmonic can be reduced in the actual grid. The increased capacitance is, however, not the source of harmonic distortion. So the harmonic currents that may be generated, that may be due to the units themselves or by the local equipments or by equipment elsewhere. As the current generated by the units does not contain significant low frequency harmonic, the source is mostly likely found in local equipment. Thank you.